Hey guys, this is Mike. In this video, we're going to draw text on the screen. To start, I'm going to copy the blank window example and paste that into the projects folder. I'm going to rename it to drawing text. To draw our text, we need a font to draw our text in. In the examples folder, there's an example called drawing text. I'm going to copy the font.png into my projects folder. And let's take a look at font.png. You'll notice that it's just all the symbols and numbers and letters that we can type. So let's go ahead and open up this new project in OrionDev. And let's go ahead and update this. So drawing text source. So to load a font, it is very similar to loading a sprite. We type static. We're going to load a font, so that's our variable type. And then we give it a name. I'm going to call my font my_font. And then in parentheses, in quotes, we give it the name of our font file on disk. And I believe it was called font.png. So now that we've loaded our font, we can now draw some text on the screen. And to draw text on the screen, we take the name of our font, my font, and then we call .draw. And the draw function of a font takes the x coordinate, the y coordinate, and then our text. So I'm going to draw this at 0, 0, and then I'm going to give it some text in quotes. And I'm just going to type hello world. Now text or font also takes two other arguments, which are the alignment for the horizontal and vertical. So if we want to draw our sprite in the center of its text, so I'll do font_center, and I want to draw it in the middle of our font, or of our text. So this will center our text both horizontally and vertically. So let's go ahead and compile and run this. And there we go. That's actually really hard to see. White on gray is not that great. So I'm going to change the background color to 0, 0, 0. So it should be all black now. Much better. And this might show up really blurry on the video, but it won't in your program. And one other thing that we might want to do is draw numbers or write numbers in text. And that's a little more tricky. So say I had a variable called x. So this could be the x coordinate of a sprite. I don't know if we'd really want to draw our coordinate on, or write our coordinate on the screen since we would be drawing something at it, but sometimes you might want to know the x coordinate. So I'm going to say our x coordinate is, I don't know, 6.18. To draw that coordinate, you can string together text with numbers like this by typing to underscore string and then passing it that variable. Or you could just write a number in here if you wanted to. So now if I do it, we should see that number, 6.18. So if you guys have any questions, I'll see you guys in class.